How I can edit my photo with Snapseed? First, you need to upload this application from Google Play Store. We go to this application Snapseed. We choose any photo we need to do, like this. We have already effects, but we go to this and we can add the wall like that, saturation, shadows, highlights, ambience, contrast, look, details, and here we go. We have granny film. We have many effects we can use at this photo, and we export, save to gallery. This is all for this video. Subscribe in our channel and like it the video.